Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Friday. If you want to look at a beautiful definition of a beautiful day weather-wise, look at what we got here today. We got temperatures, seasonal temperatures around 40 degrees, sunny conditions here in Plymouth, and we got some calm winds. A lot different than we saw yesterday. We saw some snow squalls. We saw some gusty winds. If you want us to look at some of the time lapses I got on my Twitter page is right here on your screen. Looking at our temperatures across the area for the day, though, temperatures in the low 40s. We're seeing 43 in Rochester, 43 in Nashua, again 40 degrees here in Plymouth, and we got the upper 30s in the mountains region today. Looking at our satellite radar, we're just seeing a few clouds up in Maine. We're going to see some clouds over in parts of New York as well. These clouds over in New York can make its way into our area throughout the rest of the day today. Looking at our weekend headlines, though, what do we got going on this weekend? Because it's going to be a little bit interesting one weather-wise. So those clouds that I just mentioned, they're going to make its way into our area ahead of our next system coming on through much of the day tomorrow. We're going to see some clouds and we're going to see some rain. But we're going to see when we see some rain, we're going to see some clouds, we're going to see temperatures well above average. We're going to see nearing 50 degrees tomorrow as we get our wind direction shift out of the southwest. But then we have a cold front coming through late Saturday afternoon, and that's going to shift our wind direction to out of the northwest and bring some really cool conditions, really cool temperatures, and we're going to see some sun, although we are going to see some sunny conditions for Sunday. So let me time this out on your hour-by-hour forecast. So when I'm going to start, the rain's going to start around 7:30 tomorrow morning. Some of the higher elevations could see some mixing and some snow as well, but much of the low-lying elevations will see some rainfall. Now, I wanted to point out when we're going to see some moderate to heavy rain. That's going to happen around 12 to 1, maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see these yellows, these oranges, some reds as well. That indicates some of that moderate to heavy rainfall. Now, temperatures throughout the day, we are going to see our temperatures are going to be the warmest around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, right before the cold front comes through. Temperatures are going to be pushing again around 50 degrees for much of the Merrimack Valley. We're going to be, again, 46 degrees here in Plymouth. Again, I'm also going to see another round of some heavy rain around 4 to 6 in the afternoon. Now that cold front comes through, you're going to see our temperatures drop dramatically back down to the 30s around the early parts of Sunday morning. I also am watching a chance for some early morning snow showers. Those conditions will start to clear out as you go throughout Sunday afternoon. It's going to be a really cool but also clear day on Sunday. Now, how much rainfall am I expecting from much of the area? Around 1/4 to 1/2 inch. You could see a little bit higher if you get into some of those stronger cells that I was telling you about, but roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch possible for much of the area. Tonight, 31 degrees, increasing clouds, westerly wind 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 47 degrees, rain and moderate at times, southwesterly wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Looking at our 7-day forecast, after we get past that rain on Saturday, our work week starts off with a sunny day with temperatures around 40 degrees for Monday. I am watching our next chance of rain for Tuesday, and then we start to dry out as we go throughout the rest of the week with temperatures in the 40s.